This is a short tutorial video on how to complete your asynchronous art assignment for this week. For this learning activity, you're going to click through the presentation and interact with the slides to answer the matching questions about the 3 complementary color pairs. Your first slide is going to be an example slide, and that's going to show you the format. You'll have all of the rainbow colors up at the top, and then usually 1 or 2 question marks in the blue part. That's where you're going to submit your answers. Your first question is going to be, what is the complementary color of blue? You can see that all you have to do is click to activate whatever color you think is the complementary color of blue, and then you're going to drag it down and fill it in the question mark. Remember, I'm only showing you, so I always put the colors back. You're going to leave your answers there. The next slide is, what is the complementary color of red? So you can make your choice out of the rainbow colors at the top. Click to activate a color, and then drag it down to the open question mark. Your third matching question is, what is the complementary color of yellow? So click on any color you think answers that question, and then drag it onto the question mark that's open. Remember, you're going to leave your answers there when you submit your assignment. Our last question is an opinion question. Which complementary color pair is your favorite? When you go to click on a pair, you'll notice they're both grouped, so you don't have to worry about clicking on both of them. Both will come with you. Just click to activate the group, and then drag the group over the 2 question marks. Don't forget, when you're all finished, turn in your assignment on your Google Classroom.